Okay, so this is a video about preparation for quiz number 1. Assessment practice is in your book, and the quiz is going to be based on the same tasks, but just another numbers. So now, one by one, slide by slide, I will be telling you what to pay attention to in every task, how to solve it, okay? So let us go down. Okay, the very first task is, of course, we need to read every task attentively, but don't be afraid if you cannot read very well, because as I am teaching you at the lesson, pay attention to numbers and pay attention to key words. So we read the story that Tom draws 7 bugs, so we have number 7. Gina draws 4 bugs, we have number 4. How many bugs did they draw in all? This word in all will be highlighted for you, and we were learning that this in all means plus, okay? And having number 7, having number 4, and having plus, we can write an equation for ourselves, just for ourselves, for 7 plus 4 equals, we don't need to write here how much does it equal, okay? Because the question is, which shows how to count on to solve the problem. And you studied in grade 1, and now for the whole month we were reviewing, what does it mean count on? If you see number 7, number 4, we start with greater number, so you should start with 7 and then count on 4. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is what we say. This is how we count on. Everyone knows this way. Now we need just to choose. Where do we see this? Okay, let's check the first one. Do we see 7, 8, 9, 10, 11? Yes, we see this here. Okay. This is our answer. And we may check another options. Here we start with 4. Do we say 4? 4 in our head? No, because we need to start with 7. Okay, 7 plus 4, is it counting on? No, it's just equation. 4 plus 7, is it counting on? No. So everyone, if you know how to count on, choose from 7 how to count on 4. That's it with task number 1. Now let me move to task number 2. Okay, task number 2 is a little bit, okay, I can say complicated. So we will see, maybe it will not be in the quiz, but still I'm explaining to you. Just again, we read very attentively. Lily has 7 fish, so number 7. Jack has 1 more fish than Lily, okay? And I was teaching one day how to make short writing for the story. Lily, letter L, 7 fish. Jack, 1 more than Lily. So that means Lily plus 1. Lily plus 1. Okay, and Lily plus 1 equals 8. But we need to choose which equations show how many fish in all. In all. So you need to add Lily, what Lily has, plus what Jack has, okay? And we have these numbers, Lily and Jack. Now in all, let's check. 7 plus 7 plus 7 equals 21. No, because 7, we have 7 and 8. It's not 21. So this is not good. 7 plus 1 equals 8. Okay? You may think that this is okay, but this is not. This is about Jack. But we need Jack and Lily together, so this is not good. Next one, 7 and plus 7 and plus 1 equals 15. Now let's check. Do we have here 7 and 1? Yes. So this is what we need. Okay, next one, 7 plus 7, 14. No, we don't have 7 plus 7, we have 7 and 8, okay? And the last one, 7 plus 8. Is it okay? Is it 15? 15. 7 and 8? Yes. This is what we need. So before solving, first we model the story. We write what we need, we write numbers that we need, and then we just check, do we have these numbers or not? Okay? So this is about number 2. Let's move to number 3. Number 3, 100 times we were doing this in class, 100 times. So 8 plus 7, we need to make 10. And everyone in the class knows that to make 10, we just move. We show how we move, okay? We show how we move the counters. If we moved them, they are not here anymore. Okay? Now, we need to show in new picture what we have. Okay, let me draw very fast. So everyone knows that 10 frame should have 10 full. So we draw 10. Okay. We draw new picture. We showed how we moved. Now we draw new picture 10. And down, we draw what is left. What is left? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we just draw them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then we write numbers, what we see in the picture, we write the numbers. Here we see 10, yes, okay, this is 10. Here we see 5, so we write 5. And together you know that 10 and 5 equals 15. Okay, so this is 15. That means that 8 plus 7 also 15, because we didn't take any counter, didn't add any counter. We just moved them from one place to another. Okay? Okay, that's it. What you need to do is 10 frames. You need to show me how you moved with the picture. Then you need to draw a new picture. And of course, write numbers, what you see with your eyes. Next task. Which have a sum of 18. Of course, you need to know that sum is about plus, but in this task, you see already that everything is plus. You just need to check, calculate, and check where is 15. Pay attention. If you read the task, choose all that apply. That means not one answer, but more than one answer. So choose all that apply. You should choose not only one, but 2 or 3 answers. You need to check. Okay, 10 plus 8, 18, 18. 9 plus 8, not 18. 9 plus 9 doubles, 18, 18. 8 plus 10, change places, 10 and 8, 8 and 10, 18, 18. 8 plus 8, not 18. So here we got 3 ticks. If you have 3 ticks, you have 3 points. If you missed something, -1. Okay? Okay, now let's move to another task. Okay. Again, we have a lot of reading, but we don't need actually all that reading, because here, if you can see, we need to join the strategies with what is written, okay? So we have 7 friends, They have 4 tickets. How many more tickets do they need? How many more tickets do they need? Okay, you know that how many more is minus, but now really we don't need to solve this. We just need to show. Here you have all the solutions. We just need to match each solution to how it was solved. So if we start with 7 and count 6, 5, 4, which way do we count? Start from 7 and count 6, 5, 4. We are counting back. Okay? So count back. How do you recognize the word back? It starts with B, back. Okay? B, E, K. Sounds that you need to be able to read. That's how you find ways back. Okay, 7 minus 4, minus 4. We know the word subtraction. So pay attention. If you still don't know the words, practice. Write these words on paper and practice. Subtraction, minus. Addition, plus. Subtraction, minus. Addition, plus. Count on, count back. Okay? So this is, we have subtraction. Again, subtraction starting with letter S. Subtraction, okay? Next, we start with 4 and we go 5, 6, 7. We count on. Okay, so we are choosing count on and on, okay? And then 4 plus 3 equals 7. We use addition fact because plus it's about addition. This is what you need to do here. Okay, of course, too much reading, but remember this task that you need to do just matching. Next one. Here we read the story. Nina has 14 grapes. We see number 14. She eats 6 grapes. We know that the word eats means minus. Okay, so actually what equation do we have here? We have 14, should have 14 minus 6, okay? This is our equation. Now, the task is which addition fact can help you. And I was teaching you, if you have minus, subtraction fact, addition fact, they are related. Here we are thinking about the house. House where the numbers live. Who lives in the house? 14 and 6. Let's have a look. Where do we have else 14 and 6? Let's have a look at A. Do we have here number 14? No, we don't have. Let's look at B. Do we have here number 14? Yes, we have 6, but we don't have number 14. No, not good. Okay, let's have a look at C. We have 6, we have 14. Yes, they are from our house. Okay, and the last one, we have 8, 16. Do we have 14? Do we have 6? No. That's how we are solving. Okay, think, who lives in the house? Do we need other people? Do we need other numbers? No, we need only the numbers from that house. We need 14 and 6. This is when we are talking about addition and subtraction related facts. Number 7. Use 10 frames. Show how to make a 10. Show how to make a 10 to find 13 minus 3. So make a 10 and we have subtraction. That means that we start from number 13. So let us draw 13. We need to draw that number. Again, we were doing this in the class 100 million times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, what do? We just cross out. We just crossed out. If you do minus, we cross out. So first of all, we cross out 1, 2, 3. We make a 10. Then we cross out 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and let's count what is left. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I counted 6 is left. This is your job here. Draw a picture. Show me how you do minus. You do minus cross, 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 cross. And write the answer. Next task. Next task is a story. Okay, let's discuss the story. Again, in the class I was teaching, and we read something like not number, but the word sum. Okay, Bruce has some coins. And the question is, do you know how many? What does it mean, sum? Is it a number? No. So you don't know how many. This is question mark. This is missing number. Okay, so he has some coins. We don't know how many. Then he gives 4 coins to his brother. Give minus, we know this. We give 4 to the brother. Now he has 9 coins. Okay, how many coins does he have at first? And this is how we are solving. If the first number is missing all the time, just remember that. We just go back and do addition. Start with 9, go back. So 9, we do plus 4. Go back, do addition. 9 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is our missing number. Our missing number is 13. This is the rule. When the first number is missing, you go back and do addition. Go back and do addition and find your missing number. Don't overthink where to take it from. Just go back, do your plus. Use your fingers, do plus. Okay? Okay. Okay, next. Story, word story. Don't be afraid of word stories. Again, we are paying attention to the numbers and the keywords. So the story is that Maria has 4 pairs. Maria has 4 pairs. Okay, if then it tells you draw a picture to model the problem. So let's say Maria has 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, pictures help a lot, by the way. All the time I tell you, draw a picture to see what we have in the story. So this is our 4 pairs. Then she buys some more pairs. More, you know that this is plus. And again, some. How many? Do we have number? No. This is question mark, okay? So here we have 4 pairs. Then she buys some more pairs. Okay. And now she has 12 pairs. So we need to count till 12. What number? 4 plus how many more to get 12? 4 plus something. We have 12. Okay, let us count. 4 in our head. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I stop at 12. How many more? I have 8. You have 8. Everything we do using our fingers. Okay, of course you may use your head, but now it's easier to do like this, okay? This is our missing number, but this is picture showed us. What do we do in how to write the equation? We use our numbers, okay? So you may write, if you want, you may write actually what we see. We write what we see, we write 4 plus how many more? 4 plus missing number equals 12. And then you count and you tell me what is missing number. But also you can do 12 minus 4. Use related fact. The same, 12 minus 4 equals how many? If you 12 do minus 4 equals 8. So one more time here, what do we do? First we draw a picture, what we see. Then we write what we see in the story. You see number 4, you write 4. You see more, that means plus, you write plus. You see missing number, you write missing number. Together now she has 12. And then you solve as you like. Use your fingers, count what is the missing number, or write equation 12 minus 4. It can be. It can be. Equals 8. Don't forget to write the answer. Okay, that's it. Wait a second. Okay, next task, number 10. Number 10, again, what do? We read attentively the story and pay attention numbers and keywords. Here there are some keywords maybe you didn't know, but right now I am teaching you, okay? And I will send you a list of words that we need to study, keywords. So the team has 9 players. Then 2 players quit. What does it mean, quit? Left the game, didn't want to play anymore. They just went away. So how do you think? What is it going to be, plus or minus? Of course, it's going to be minus because they left. They didn't want to play anymore. So the first, what we see in the first sentence, we see 9 minus 2. How many players are left? 7 players are left, okay. After that, 5 players joined the team. Join, comes again, okay, come again. So what does it mean? That will be plus for us, okay. So now what we see 5 and we see that word join plus. Okay, 7 players we have plus 5 equals 12. This is you need to write for yourself for understanding, okay? This is you write for yourself for understanding. You write everything, where is plus, where is minus, what to do with these numbers, and you go one by one. If you see number 9 first, you write number 9. Then you see number 2, you write number 2. Then you see that this is minus, you put minus, okay? Like this. Okay, and now we just need to use these numbers and complete the equations. Equations are ready for you. But before, do it by yourself for better understanding. Okay, now minus 2 equals 7. Okay, so we used 2, we use 7, then 7 plus 5 equals 12. So we have 12 players. Of course, in the quiz, you need to write for me only this, but I recommend you write these equations up just for better understanding, okay? If you can solve without this, no problem. I know that everyone is smart, you can do a lot of things, so I'm just helping you with explanation. Okay, next task, also be very attentive here. The task tells you, choose yes or no. To show if 7 will make each equation true. What do you need to do with that number 7? Just take your pencil and write that number 7 everywhere. Everywhere you write it, you put it in the blank box, okay? And then you just check. Does it fit or no? Makes equation true or no? So 8 plus 7 equals 16. And you check, 16? No. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 7 doubles. 14? Yes. 14 minus 7 equals 7. Yes? Yes. 15 minus 8 equals 7. Yes? Yes. That's it. Now you can see where is yes, where is no. But before doing this, put that number in every box so you can see what to do, okay? Okay. This is number 11, and I guess this is the last task, I guess. Number 12. So Matt finds 9 sticks in the park. Matt has 9 sticks. Mabel finds 7 sticks. Easy peasy. How many sticks do they find? In all is plus. Write an equation to explain. Again, we write what we see. We are writing what we see. 9, 9. Then should be plus, plus. Then you see 7, 7. 9 plus 7 equals 16. You count it, you use any strategy. If you want to use number line, fingers, count on, count back, all that stuff that you learned, it's up to you. Your job is to give me the correct answer. Don't forget to write it here. Okay? Okay, and I guess that's all. This is what you will have in your quiz, okay? So, bye. See you with your perfect knowledge, and expect all of you 50 out of 50.